First, we create hand-drawn sketches to visualize our ideas. By using SolidWorks, we develop detailed part files, assemblies, and cut lists. Our team begins the fabrication process, cutting the materials to size. We then lay out and weld the table to bring our design to life. Here's the finished product, ready for use. Meet the dedicated team behind the project. Contact us today to bring your project to life. Drafting by Design, designing your ideas and now fabricating them too.